Hi! In front of me is Vivo Y52 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Vivo. Firstly, open settings, scroll down and choose security over here. Now scroll down again, tap on face and enter your current login method. Then read the disclaimer, click on start to add at the bottom right corner. Choose I have read the privacy terms, tap on agree. And click OK. Now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!